Hello guys! The girlies are back! Small kayo siya.
Di na mo masagdan si Mama Ging.
Today we have
Bukuyok.
Nabilin. Yes. Guess the emoji. Emoji! Let's eat na. Oy, kapoy! Sabi. Ay, lubot. Anong lubot? Bang!
Oo na yun ah.
Mo na. Yeah. Ano yung Roblox? Na. Cherry. Ay, kadto na. Ay, maon na. Ay, na. Phone is starting. The phone is starting. The starting the phone.
Ah, big shit.
They're starting the
Ah,
phone.
big shit.
Ay, update na pala ang mga vlogs na. Tapaan ko. Lulubot, oh. Latai. Gilom kay gagkaunta. Tanaw pag mukbang. Gamukbang ta. Tanaw pag mukbang. Yuboku. Ramen noodles. Coke. Ha?
Garter ang palda.
Tapakuan ko din. Garter.
Garter po ang
Lihan out. Karti ba to eh?
Kini big shit to me.
Look dia.
Fun fact, this is actually exactly how we do gold crowns.
No, gihapon.
The same way the dental lab do it, the same way. So she's waxing it up first, and then from here, normally, from here, what she's doing now, polishing it down, she's using the drill. Okay, so yeah, she's just getting in the palm. Oh, she's already done it. Okay, so we've already done
Today ako mukbang.
Gihapon.
Hoy.
editing, o Japon.
Play na siya taran blue.
The only thing that I have to introduce on top of this is that the same fluid can actually be damaging your teeth. You see, in these cases,
Ba't Lenovo boy man? Sa nindot.
thank goodness. And unfortunately, a lot of rappers and people like that, they'll get it permanently cemented into their mouth. A lot of times these rappers or whoever, they just get with some random person at the mall or some artist like this, and they don't know how to properly check occlusion. Now, I'm not saying that she doesn't. She very well could, but I'm just saying when you get
Isa
to
naman,
this, just be
isa lang ni Larry kay nag-extra na siya nila. Kasi anak ni, wakabalik.
Ako lagi ng phone.
What's the dumbest rule your school's ever enforced? I've got the shoes, I've got the dress that makes me
A pretty fucking princess. What the hell is she doing?
Ako na t-shirt yung mga hinubuan ka. Wasi mong bag dart.
Wala. Sugay na natin
Dali. Wala yung hinubuan ka t-shirt.
Mura ta na sa kwan niyo mag na ta. Ate Divina. Look. Hunters. Hunters.
Kani 1,000 bit, ako ni ipahin mo 500.
Ay.
Yung bayaran.
I've got the shoes, I've got the dress.
Maybe you'll be the princess someday. Nindot dia. Kay sana.
What's the dumbest rule your school's ever enforced? My high school banned all backpacks because one kid brought a knife to school in his bag. Instead of just checking bags or punishing student, they decided 1,800 kids couldn't carry backpacks anymore. The first day of the new rule was complete chaos. We had to carry all our textbooks, notebooks, and supplies by hand between every class. I'm talking about 7 different classes, each requiring different books that weighed like 20 pounds each. Kids were throwing stuff everywhere. The hallways looked like a tornado hit them. My friend Jessica dislocated her shoulder trying to carry her calculus book, chemistry textbook, and 3 binders at once. Teachers started getting annoyed because we show up to class with the wrong materials. Where's your history book? Mr. Peterson would ask. I can only carry 3 books at a time and I had to choose. So he explained. But here's where it got really stupid. The administration's solution was to give us mesh bags. Here, mesh bags. These things were basically net to handle. Everything fell out constantly. Pencils, pens, homework, all over the floor every time you moved. Plus, everyone could see everything you owned. Your personal stuff, your medication, your tampons, all
Diary.
the entire school. One girl started crying in the hallway because her anxiety medication fell out of her mesh bag, and kids started asking questions. But the worst part was winter. We live in Minnesota, so it gets down to like negative 20 degrees. Normally, we grab them. Kids were getting frostbite walking between buildings because they couldn't carry both their coat and their school supplies. Parents started calling the school to complain, but Principal Davis said the safety policy was non-negotiable. Then my diabetic friend Marcus had a his blood sugar dropped during lunch. He needed his glucose tablets that were in the mesh bag. But some kid had bumped into him earlier and knocked everything out of his bag. His glucose tablets got kicked under a table and he was blind. Marcus started getting so teachers were panicking. They finally found his glucose tablets, but Marcus had to go to the hospital because his blood sugar had dropped too low. His mom was furious and rushed to the school. My friend could have gone into diabetic coma because of your stupid policy.
September 2 to 5.
But David still wouldn't change the rules. That's when the senior class decided to make a point. They organized a day where every single student would learn exactly what the administration required by hand. No mesh bags. Every
pasakay mo ng kwan. Hindi na po doon.
The result was beautiful
Ako
chaos.
kasi nina
Kids
na.
were stacked with books
Bro.
up to their
Kasi
chins,
hindi mo
stumbling
na-drive
through
sa
hallways
kuya.
like human Jenga.
Ano to yung Hi!
Hindi na po ang
Tyler
driver.
Johnson,
Meron na.
he looked like a walking office.
Pila
By
man.
third period, the hallways were completely blocked with
Forman
books.
ko sa unang diabangan ng
Teachers
doon.
couldn't
Di
get to the
sa
classroom.
Malubas na.
All the stuff scattered everywhere. The janitors were following
Minuta ka doon ah.
Sige na, dadun mo kuno. Dadun kuno gihapon nila pakarga ba? Ang ban.
Easy daw.
Oh.
Asag sakit ni naman ko.
Wali nadlaw, 4 ang nadlaw. No? 4 ang adlaw.
Gabi.
4 ang adlaw. 14 adlaw. Sabi mo nila. Naku na siya gina nga. Tawagin lang si Art Glow kayo basig dili ka o basig dili ako yun na basig dili maka-drive si kuya. Tawagin lang si Art. Ha? Pwede, ikaw, pwede mo ka? Iyan mga oban ng kuyo. Lagi, makuha niya ka ba? Lagi. Pero ako itong ilang, si Arle po, panag ko. Tama na din, 3-5. Sige, sige.
Sukat
Ito,
ko cheese.
Wala man, huwag man nawag lang ko.
Ipakita ka lang. Bro.
Oh,
The inside.
karon pa may kaabot.
Before the backside.
Ang tanaw pa. Karon pa may kaabot. Awag 77 na may nakuha karon. 177. Ano na ni? 409. 409 minus 177. 232.
So, nalagi silang oh,
232.
nanira ko na.
Ano na po?
Di ka na.
Kita na ba na po yan?
Di ka na.
Ang tangkir to pa itong gawas sa kalambang.
Dili ka na.
To pa itong gawas sa di po.
Man ka na ko ibutang. Ikaw dire.
Ngayon ang diesel 427 68 nakuha ka ron. 359 690 ang sa storage. Premium. Ako wala si Ivan. Ugma ng dahil.
Bro. Portable.
Di kuya, mahal kuya. Ha? Okay naman. Pero pag-abot na mo, dito lang dahil naman may nakita. Ang Chupukupyo, si Pulgani. Yung mas Pulgani. Uy! Puro na lang yung mga bayi. Pag sinong bagay na bataron, labihan po naman sinong bagay. Yan ay katong
Talong kay Dodon. Umaga ako doon.
sa Pines.
Sir, mana?
Kung po yun nilang daya.
Bako na mag-ikaw.
Kung Janet.
Yung ganyan.
Dito ko na siya
Pwede
napunta.
din,
Nasa
sagol.
puling tao. Sa ilang sa gawa, sa ilang purple. Oo, nanguntak siguro sila mga, kasi nakahiring ba na, nanguntak ang mga tao nila. Siguro sila laban-laban sila sa mga labo. Ningkuan ka nang. Dito may sukuan, dito may sa moto kami ni Attorney Sumurustro. Ang giteksan, wala man di siya.
May lang.
Kay kuan, kanang naros sa mutya, pistaman. Wala may nakadayon ato sa Attorney. Dito may sa atong panganuran. Panganuran. Ito bang ikan sa una. Diyan na to. Padulong na po. Dito. Padulong nabitan ba? Sus, pag sakay na mo kuya, pag backing si May, ito unahan kay lapad naman ang dalan. Backing siya. Pag anak ni May sa pagbabag sa dalan, sus, daw man ay puso kayong kapanagan na mixer. Si Miro ba kinarator ba ako gasigan? Tanga na lang magtatanaw sa mixer kung pabanggaan, magkamisin ba ko aning. Kusok kayong mixer, gapaubos mong god. Kaya saka na yun. Walang kusok kayo sa gapahunat siya ba? May gani kayo si May, si May, naka-reverse na nabagin ko, may gani ko may atras. Kinarato naman si May, usay buhat, yan buhaton. Gatinanaway, gatanga na lang. Padulong na mo. Tamlo yung miagi. Gamay na dyan kulang daw, yung daya pa, gamay na dyan kulang. Uy, simba ko taong taan eh. Ato na yun, ato na yung sibutan. Balik sibutan. Ato ni Surtiti.
Di takadula
Uy,
ka
si Surtiti, nakita na ako. Nangita siya ni mo.
At so, yummy guys.
Uy, nalipay. Diyod ito nga nakita pa po ninyo. Buhi pa po, buhi. Tadaan pagkag...
We finished it all. Bye guys. Except for mine. Mine too. Bye.
Nangita siya